CO2 is a long oblong molecule with oxygen on either end and CO in the middle. So we didn't name ourselves carbon this or carbon that. It's OCO. And actually, we even have the correct number of atomic bonds. We have 2 double bonds between the O and the C on both sides.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Primera.
My name is Todd Bricks. I'm the CEO and co-founder of OCOchem. This is where clean energy, I think, is going to happen for Washington State first. What we do is found a way to take carbon dioxide and water and convert it into value-added chemicals just using clean electricity. And so we do that through what's called a CO2 electrolysis process. Today, the petrochemical industry in the world is one of the most CO2 intensive. And so this is the way the world makes most of its chemicals. And the way we can make it more economic is through the machines that we build and the intelligence we put into them. We make hydrogen formate cheaper than the fossil-based way of making it. Basically build a better mousetrap, a cleaner mousetrap, and also a cheaper mousetrap. And that's what we've done. Okay, so this is carbon dioxide. This is how you buy it industrially. We bring this in and we pipe it to our various systems and then convert it into chemicals. This is the world's largest CO2 electrolyzer. We're running it on a test right now. It's converting about 10 pounds of CO2 into product every hour. We're figuring out how to make one really good Pop-Tart. Once we know how to make one really good Pop-Tart, we know how to mass produce Pop-Tarts. And then you stack them together to increment production so you can make more and more. No one comes in with CO2 electrolysis experience, so we have to train everybody. And he's done an excellent job. And so now he's kind of monitoring the system right now as it's operating to make sure it's operating within the performance parameters that we set. These types of containers here, this is some of our product. Once we make the formate, we store it in some of these types of jugs. There's a coal gasification process that makes most of the world's formate today. Ours doesn't use coal at all, right? We use CO2 and do so at a lower cost than what the current fossil-based way is. Some of them like it because we turn CO2 into chemicals. Some of us like it because it's clean. Either way, we're doing the same thing and hopefully making the world a little bit cleaner and also more prosperous type of place.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera.